Hi there, I'm Elizabeth Woodward, CEO and co-founder of Woodward Innovations Incorporated. We are a company located in Cedar Park, Texas, and we've been in business since December of 2004. That's almost 16 years now. Over the years, we've worked on thousands of large-scale enterprise learning projects for very large corporations in the top Fortune 500. Alongside that, though, we have also worked on hands-on STEM learning and activities for elementary and middle school students. So back in February, we decided to formalize our efforts and to form the Hands-on STEM for All division. Our Hands-on STEM for All division is dedicated to making sure that every child has opportunities for hands-on science, technology, engineering, and math education, regardless of their socioeconomic status. We also want to make sure that every child has access to STEM activities that are messy. And by messy, I mean they're meaningful, engaging, safe, and standards aligned. I can add into that for the kids, we want to make sure that every activity is fun, that they have a chance to really enjoy themselves as they're learning. And for parents and guardians and teachers, we want to make sure that the education doesn't give you 1,000 pieces where you have to watch that the child is putting together every one of those 1,000 pieces just exactly right. So we hope you'll join us and help us by supporting the Hands-on STEM for All division. We need teachers to be engaged so that we can get your feedback and make sure that we're aligning with the education that you're teaching, and to make sure that the activities are not going to take up too much of your time to prep for them during your classes or after your classes or in the wee hours of the night. For parents, we want to make sure that you engage if you can. We want to hear from you and make sure that these activities are working for you and your kids. And we always love seeing and hearing what the kids are doing with the activities and with the kits that we're providing. So please join us on Facebook, join us on Twitter, follow us on Twitter. We would love to engage with you and get to know you better and continue this journey in providing fantastic hands-on STEM education and learning for our children.